What's up, guys? I'm here with my little brother, and today we're going to be reviewing the Mandalorian meal. The barbecue bounty Whopper, the Grogu garlic.
Hello, welcome to Burger King. Where you roll? How can I help?
What's up? Could I get the Mandalorian meal? Everything in it?
Okay, so you got the bounty Whopper, the fry, the drink, and then a Martian Cup. Or were you wanting the bundle with everything?
The bundle with everything. I want it all. Cool, thank you.
Ow.
Grogu sugar cookie shake, Imperial tots, Grogu garlic parm chicken fries, and the Mandalorian barbecue bounty burger. Thank you, man.
Is that the water?
Show him the cup. Mandalorian and Grogu. The Grogu sugar cookie shake. What do you rate it, dude?
4.
4 baby Yodas out of 5.
Tastes like a shake.
It tastes like a shake you would expect to get from Burger King, except it's $6. So we're gonna get the rest of this, and then we'll catch y'all back at the house. All right, we're back. We got the Mandalorian meal here. You can see here's Din Djarin. We've got Babu Frikk. We've got Grogu, Babu Frikk, and the other Azili. And yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. We got it the way, because this is the way. Let's get smacking into this.
Chicken fries.
So Ike here's going for the Grogu garlic parm chicken fries. Ooh. Let's get a reaction. How is it? Pretty good?
Solid.
Here's the garlic sauce for the tots. Let's see here. It's Burger King. I was supposed to get a crown, but I didn't get it. Oh, these tots with a garlic sauce. Imperial cheddar tots.
Pretty
They're good. Very the garlic sauce is pretty mid. It isn't super garlicky. But this is the real crown of the cash right here. The barbecue bounty Whopper looks pretty gas, and I've heard that it is pretty gas too. So we're gonna cut it in two. One half for now, one half for later, because this is the way. This is a single stack. It's all right. That sauce is really sus. I don't know, I like it too, but it's like, it kind of tastes like it's sauce flavored and not garlic flavored. How's the Whopper? You like it? What would you rate the Mandalorian meal overall out of 10 stars. Zero midichlorians to 10 midichlorians.
8.5.
8.5 from Ike. I'm gonna give it a 3.5.
Cup and the
Oh, yeah.
shake are the best part.
We got a rare cup. This isn't the most rare one. There's a red one that's even rarer than the green one.
I needed an Avengers Doomsday meal.
We got some cool packaging too. You can see the Imperial Tots got a jet trooper on them. These guys appeared in episode 24 of The Mandalorian, and they wear Beskar armor. Pretty OP. They had like 50 stormtroopers wearing Beskar armor. And Moff Gideon was gonna have an army of clones of himself, but they had the Force, and they were gonna wear dark Beskar armor. So they were gonna be OP AF. Grogu Parm Fry the way. Now we're gonna watch an episode of JoJo. Thank you guys for watching.
This is not ever gonna be a thing ever again. It's never gonna get uploaded because this is cringy and weird.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.
We will not.